Hey YouTube, this is Abdul Car Fix, and we changing the alternator on this 2002 Ford Expedition, a 5.4 liter engine. You start with taking the belt off. Use a half-inch. Use a half-inch extension, or you can use a ratchet, and then you just basically right here. You go to the counterclockwise and the belt will come loose. In this case, I just popped it off the alternator, let it sit, rest on here. And then the alternator here, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, 10 millimeter. And you got 1 right here. See that? 1 and 2. You don't have to take them all the way. There's the other one right here. Okay, those bolts 10 millimeter, and just taking them a couple of turns. You don't have to take them all the way, and the alternator will come up and basically sits on top of it. You take the alternator out, you put the alternator new in, and then you release you release the tensioner clockwise. Pop this belt back on, and then start hooking up the wires back. Yeah, you got 1 wire here, you got a harness in the back, and that should get it going. And then you can, before you do anything, of course, take off your battery terminal. I took the negative off before you start working on it, and then once you complete everything, you go ahead and put it back on, and should be all good to go from there. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's keep those easy working videos going. Thanks.